Goofy Goobers ice cream party boat scene.
Hey, all you Goobers! It's time to say howdy to your favorite undersea peanut, Goofy Goober! Hey, fellow Goofy Goobers! Time to say, oh, I'm a Goofy Goober, yeah. You're a Goofy Goober, yeah. We're all Goofy Goobers, yeah. We're Goofy Goober, yeah.
Alright, get it together, old boy. I know. I'll just stop thinking about it. And you know, I actually feel a little better. I don't even remember why I was sad.
Hey, it's the new Krusty Krab 2 manager. Wow, the pressure's already setting in.
No, Pat, you don't understand. I didn't get the promotion.
What? Why?
Mr. Krabs thinks I'm a kid.
What? That's insane!
I know.
Well, saying you're a kid, it's like saying I'm a kid.
Here's your goober meal, sir.
I'm supposed to get a toy with this? Thanks.
I'm gonna head home, Pat. The celebration's off.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not in a goober mood.
Okay, see ya.
And here's your triple gooberberry sunrise, sir.
Yum.
Oh, triple gooberberry sunrise, huh? I guess I could use one of those.
Now you're talking. Hey, waiter! We need another one over here.
There you go.
Ooh. Boy, Pat, that hit the spot. I'm feeling better already.
Yeah.
Waiter, let's get another round over here. Oh, Mr. Waiter, 2 more, please. Woo! Waiter! Oh, waiter!
Why do I always get the nuts?
All right, folks. This one goes out to my 2 bestest friends in the whole world. Patrick and his big peanut guy. It's a little ditty called...
Perfect.